Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. In this channel, we bring you a wide range of information related to various cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and other coins. We aim to provide content that deepens the latest trends and knowledge for everyone, from beginners to advanced users. Today, we're diving into the basics of what cryptocurrency is, how it functions, and how it can be beneficial in our lives, especially for those who are just stepping into the world of cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is like money that can be used on the internet, but it doesn't take the form of bills or coins. It is digital currency created and used in the computer world. Just like regular money, it is used to buy goods and services. How do you use it? To use cryptocurrency, you need a digital wallet. By installing a dedicated app on your smartphone or computer, you can send and receive cryptocurrency. Through this wallet's address, you can send money to someone, and it can also be used for shopping at stores. How is cryptocurrency created? Cryptocurrencies are created using a technology called blockchain. This is a method of linking records of transactions in blocks. This chain of blocks makes it difficult to tamper with, and securely stores transaction information. It's akin to keeping a diary, but this diary is copied worldwide, making it very hard for anyone to alter it arbitrarily. Types of cryptocurrency. There are various types of cryptocurrencies, but the most famous is Bitcoin. Besides Bitcoin, there are Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many others, each with its characteristics. Benefits of using cryptocurrency. 1. Speed and fees. Transactions can be made quickly, and with low fees internationally, without going through banks. 2. Universal use. It can be used anywhere in the world, as long as there's internet access. 3. Privacy. Transactions can be made without revealing your name or address, although it's not completely anonymous. Things to be cautious about. The price can fluctuate significantly, so it's important to understand the risks if you're investing. Also, you must manage your security carefully. Cryptocurrency is a new technology, so it's essential to be cautious when using it. History of cryptocurrency. The history of cryptocurrency isn't very long, but it has made a significant impact in a short period. The story begins in 2009, but its background includes much older ideas. The dream of digital currency. In the 1990s, as the internet began to spread, some engineers and researchers envisioned a digital currency. Their goal was to create a system that could securely transfer money on the internet. However, the technology at the time couldn't find a way to do this without a central institution to manage transactions. The birth of Bitcoin. In 2009, a mysterious individual or group, known as Satoshi Nakamoto, introduced Bitcoin, employing the crucial technology of blockchain. Blockchain allowed transaction records to be shared and verified by all participants, ensuring the accuracy of transactions without the need for a central institution. Bitcoin's introduction was not just about creating a new currency, but also about presenting a new approach to the financial system. It enabled people to exchange money directly, without relying on central banks or governments. Rise of altcoins and tokens. Following Bitcoin's success, many new cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, emerged, such as Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. These are similar to Bitcoin but have unique features like faster transactions, or the implementation of smart contracts, which are automatically executed contracts. Moreover, the application of blockchain technology has expanded beyond currency to fields like gaming, art, and real estate, leading to the creation of tokens for specific platforms or projects. Today and the future. Cryptocurrency has continued to grow despite facing many challenges. Its acceptance in the financial market is expanding, and some countries have started recognizing it as an official payment method. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are attracting attention across various industries for increasing transparency and efficiency. The story of cryptocurrency is just beginning, and its future looks very promising. The evolution of technology, the formation of regulations, and the maturity of the market will influence its development, but cryptocurrency has the potential to fundamentally change how we use money. In today's video, we've detailed what cryptocurrency is, and the history of cryptocurrency, exploring how it came to be, and its impact on our world from the basics. Cryptocurrency still has many unexplored aspects, which is part of what makes it so intriguing. However, the field is vast, and understanding everything at once is challenging. In our next video, we'll delve deeper into the pros and cons of cryptocurrency, investing in cryptocurrency, and the future of cryptocurrency. This will be highly beneficial for those interested in, or considering entering the world of cryptocurrency. If you found today's video helpful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and set up notifications, so you don't miss our next video. We look forward to your comments. If you have any questions or doubts about cryptocurrency, please share them in the comments section. Let's meet in the next video. The world of cryptocurrency is still evolving. Let's learn and deepen our understanding together. Thank you for watching today's video.